Hey, I'm Josiah Blizzard, and on this channel we talk about photography, wedding photography, and all of that good stuff, maybe how to run your business, things like that. But today we're talking about the emergency kit. Have you ever been photographing a wedding and all of a sudden there's an emergency? Maybe the bride spilled something on her dress, or there is, we can't pin on the boutonniere or something like that because there aren't enough pins or something along those lines. Well, we've been there, and that's why we've created our own wedding day emergency kit. Now, this kit is nothing crazy, nothing special. I'm gonna go through what we have in our kit, and there's things that we actually need to add to our kit as well. It's pretty small. The first thing that's in here is wet wipes, and we've used these on several occasions as well. Just something's dirty, you gotta wipe it down. But what else do we have in here? Well, we have some scissors, we have some nail clippers, nail file, all of those things in there. We also have some floss, some disposable floss picks in case the bride needs to, or the groom needs to floss something out of their teeth. Who flosses though, right? Nobody flosses. We also have some Listerine breath mints, some Band-Aids, more nail files, tweezers, and again, another set of nail clippers. Now, there's some things that are missing from here, like Tide to Go pen. We used all of our Tide to Go pen. We've used all of the extra pins that help hold boutonnieres in. Things like that we need to purchase again and get a variety of. There's some other things that you can add to your own wedding day emergency kit. It could be anything from feminine hygiene products to larger scissors to an extra hanger to a phone charger to anything that you might find somebody would forget. Heck, you can bring a pair of socks for the groom in case the groom or groomsman or the father of the bride or somebody forgets to pack a pair of dress socks. Like anything that you think might be helpful, an extra set of deodorant, whatever. There's a million things. The goal here is to be as helpful as possible. You want to be the person that when somebody yells out in the getting ready room and they say, does anybody have scissors? You can be like, I got scissors, and I got all the other stuff you need too, right in like my magic bag here. So the goal is to be helpful, and this doesn't just sit with the bride and groom, it extends to other vendors. I know of a photographer who brings a ton of cables and cords just in case the DJ forgets a cord. He has like every kind of cord ever, and he brings all those to the weddings, and he's had to use them on occasion when the DJ forgets a cord, or the band forgets an extra cord, or something along those lines. Or even I've forgotten cords on the day, and if he was there, if a DJ brought extra cords knowing that the videographer might forget or might not bring the specific cord needed to hook up a sound device to their speaker, they have a cord. That's my favorite DJ I've ever worked with all of a sudden, because he has what I don't. So it's about being helpful. It's about providing value to people, providing value to the people you're working with, to your couple, to your co-vendors, all of those things. So that's why we would suggest having an emergency kit with you on hand. We just keep this in our details bag, and if we ever need it, it's either right out in the car that we can go get, or it's with us in the getting ready room. So that is why I suggest you get a details bag. It's just like this tiny little thing here that Steph carries around. Super simple. You can even leave this in like a fanny pack if you wanted to wear a fanny pack. You could split this up and divide and conquer in the fanny pack area there. Other than that, though, that's really the emergency kit. We hope this is something that you'll use. I'll leave a list of a whole bunch of items down in the description that you can purchase and put in your emergency kit, just kind of like an idea list. Something that we've used here. It's something I didn't mention, a crochet hook. When you're buttoning the backs of dresses, that is like one of the things we use most often, which is probably why it's not in here. It's probably floating around the details bag because we just used it at a wedding the other day. So that's it, guys. I hope this was helpful. If you did find this helpful, please share it with a friend who also might find it helpful, and hit that subscribe button and the bell to receive notifications when I release a new video, which is every week, by the way, in 2021. And hit that like button. Leave some comments below if you have questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.